forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me tell you why I'm so excited. I'm so excited because number one, I created this glamorous look for you guys. Like oh my god, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna create something good. So I created something good and here it is. And then I'm excited because you guys are just blessing me tremendously with your love and support. I appreciate it so much, you guys. So without further ado, I'm not gonna run my mouth too much. Let's go ahead and get into the video. But first, like, subscribe, and share, you guys. Those three main keys: like, subscribe, and share. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Welcome back, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on into this eye. This is my sunset eyeshadow tutorial, you guys, and it took some time. So y'all just sit back, get your some popcorn, you know, whatever you need to do. Have a wine if you're 21 or older. If not, have some water. Okay, so I went in the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, you guys, and I started with the yellow, and the yellow is just performing as my transition color, you guys. So what we're doing right now is just building that yellow so that we can see it. We do want to see it. It does play a major part in the look. Okay, so now I'm going in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going in with their yellow to just darken up the yellow because the NYX just wasn't getting it, but we got it. It's okay. Sometimes you have to use more than one palette for the same color. Get it, girl. Get it, get it, get it. I am going in with some tape, you guys. You can get tape from anywhere. I got mine from Office Depot. You can get tape from anywhere, okay? And this is just going to help sharpen the eye so that we don't have to use concealer or anything to clean it up. It's going to be already sharp. I am putting some more product over it just so that when I take the tape off from what I didn't have the tape on, you can't see. I think my wife came in the room, y'all. Like, my facial expressions, oh my god. You never know your facial expressions till you, like, record yourself. She probably came in the room and interrupted me while I was recording. That is my biggest pet peeve, when somebody bothers me while I'm recording. Anyways, I'm going in the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going in with the orange that was right next to the yellow. And I'm going to be using this to give me some pop in my yellow. So now we're going from yellow to orange. And I'm just working that in, blending it in, building the color to my liking. I dropped my brush. Come on, red. Hey, red, go red, yo, red. No, I'm just playing. Oh my goodness. I had some sugar or something, y'all. I don't know what it was, but give it to me again. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so now I am in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We are going in with this reddish orange kind of tone. And I'm going to be using that at the crease of the eye to build up. So we have like a fiery sunset going on, you know. And throughout this look, most of our colors will die down. We will have to go back and revamp them, but that is totally fine. It's okay. Don't have a heart attack, you guys. It happens. It's natural. Just go back and rebuild those colors. I prefer to do it that way anyway, you guys. So now I'm going back and I'm rebuilding that orange. Now I'm taking some concealer that I had on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. And for me, I like to raise my eyebrows so that I can really, really see where I'm putting my crease at. You can do the lookup method as well. You guys, I will have a video of a detailed cut crease coming out pretty soon. So be on the lookout for that. I will be showing you different methods to how you can cut your crease. So now I'm going in back to the NYX palette, and I'm going to be using that yellow orange. And I'm going to take that right next, the closest to my tear duct. I'm patting that color right into my tear duct. And as you guys can see, I moved some of my concealer. Oh my goodness. It is the worst thing, you guys, when you get concealer in your eyeshadow. It is like the hardest to fix. It's not really hard. It's just tedious. I was about to freak. I thought I wasn't recording. Okay, so now I'm going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette into that reddish orange. And I'm going to be using that to blend right on top of the yellow orange that we just went in. Y'all, I swear I'm like such a blonde at times. Y'all have to excuse me, okay? I love y'all, so love me. Now I'm going into the Crayon Case palette, the Watch Me Blush palette. And I'm going to be using the peach to blend in on the end of my eyes. And again, you see me going back and just revamping my colors and bringing them all together. It's perfectly fine, you guys. It's natural. You will have to do this depending on how in depth or in detail your look is. It's totally fine. Do not panic. Okay, so we ready to remove that tape. Move that tape. Move that tape. Yes! Yes! Okay, so you guys can pretty much see what the tape did. It gives you like this clean, 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 clean look. And I apologize for my head itching, y'all. So ghetto. Oh my God. Okay, so now I am going into my face. We're going to prime it. We're going in with the Smashbox Primer Oil. I am running low, you guys. But I've had it for like a year. Like, it lasts a long time. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Superstay Foundation. And I'm going to be using this to finish the look, y'all. That was so country. Finish the look, y'all. I'm using my Maybelline foundation to go ahead and finish the look. I'm spraying my brush, and we are going to blend out the foundation. Let me just tell y'all, like, I was really in love with my eyes. I really enjoyed doing the look for you guys. Like, I really, really did. Like, I enjoy you guys regardless. Like, the support is unreal. Like, oh my goodness. I just love you guys so, so much. So I'm going to take my beauty blender, you guys, and just blend out the foundation. It just helps make it more smooth. It's a trick that I use. It will work. Use it. Try it. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm using that to highlight my face, you guys, underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm taking my sponge, and I am going to be blending this out. And yes, I spray my sponge. I spray my sponge. Like, I spray my sponge. I never use dry products on my face, you guys. That's a big no-no. Never use dry products on your face, no matter what it is. No, 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 no. Okay, so I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Cocoa, and I'm using this to contour my face. And then I'm just going to go back and add some lighter concealer because it just wasn't fitting my needs, and I'm extra. Y'all already know. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, you guys, and I'm going to be using this to set my face. As you guys can see, I sprayed my products. I do not lie. I sprayed my product, guys. Always spray your sponge. Always, always, always. I'm spraying it again. I cannot stress it enough, you guys. Spray that sponge. Okay, so now I'm going in with the LA Colors Contour Palette, and I'm going to be using this to contour, you guys. Just warm up the face, give the face some definition, bring some life back into it, and snatch it. Okay, I'm just going in and setting my face with my setting spray, my NYX setting spray. It would probably help if you held the palette up right, Red. Okay, so I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the color Hot Sand to glow. Get it together, get it together. And y'all, I'm gonna blind y'all with this highlight. So, blind the haters. Shine y'all later. I'm gonna put some of that same highlight right up underneath my brow bone, just so that it just makes it perfect. You see? Cute, cute, cute. For my lips, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss. You guys already know. I promise I'm gonna find something else to love on. Okay, do not hate me. But you guys, this pretty much concludes my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to set your face after everything. Always set it. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.